Hello, how everybody doing out there? This morning what I want to do is I want to talk to you about a powerful marketing program that is really great for any newbie or anybody that's just starting out and they really don't have a lot of money. When I first got started about 6 years ago with this program, I was to the point that I couldn't afford to upgrade or I couldn't afford to buy anything. So what I did was I purchased this program because I needed something that would help me make commissions 24/7. I didn't have to put a lot of money into it. I didn't have to do a lot. And this system would do everything for me. And at the time, I had no clue about what an autoresponder was. I had no idea of sending messages to my list. So I was just out there and I didn't know exactly what I needed to do. So I ran across this program. This program, I'm just going to tell you right up front, is a $7 program that you never have to pay a penny for it again. It costs $7 to purchase this program. Now think about that for a moment. You purchase this program for $7 and it will do everything for you. What do I mean do everything for you? It has a built-in autoresponder. It has a follow-up sequence that's coded to you that send out messages to your list every single day. It has a back office that you can use to create capture pages. I don't know about you, but I don't know where you can find a system that would do all these things for you for just $7. Can you imagine? We throw away more than $7 at the grocery store, at Starbucks. So this is something that a newbie could use to jumpstart themselves. Not only that, but it allows you to attend twice a week training meetings or training sessions where you're going to get trained by 6 or 7 figure earners. $7, folks. That's all it's going to cost you. And you get all of this. Now, I used this platform when I didn't have any money. It allowed me to make enough money to upgrade. It allowed me enough money to upgrade to the next level. Now, why did I want to upgrade to the next level? Keep in mind now, this program is only $7 for life. I wanted to upgrade to the next level because higher level commissions. So as I began to make money, I upgraded. But I started off with this powerful system here. And this was the system that really helped me a lot. You know what? I didn't believe it at first. $7? I don't ever have to pay again for life? All just for $7 for life? I couldn't believe it. Especially with the scams and everything else that was out there, I just really couldn't believe it. But once I signed up, I realized that it was true. Now let me tell you the second thing about this program that you're going to buy for $7. And by the way, I think the owners are crazy for just having this out here for $7. Let me explain something to you also. Everybody that you sign up for this program, and watch this now, you only pay $7 for this program, right? For life. Everybody you sign up, you're going to make $6 commission. Instant. $6 commission you're going to make for everybody that you sign up. Now think about it. The company is only making $1 because you're making $6 in commission. If you can't advertise and bring people in and make at least $100 a week, something is wrong. So the only thing you really need to do with this program is push traffic to it. Push free traffic, push paid traffic. It really doesn't matter. This program is on automatic. You really don't have to do anything. It does everything for you. It does all the selling. It does all the telling. It does all the advertising for you. All you need to do is push traffic to your capture or squeeze page, and you will be in profit. So what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to put my link below. Go ahead and sign up. If you have any questions, just let me know. But I'm telling you, you're not going to get a better deal than this. And you're going to make money out of the deal. So two things I want to leave you with. It's a one-time fee of $7 for life. You're going to make $6 commission off of everybody that you sign up. You're going to get paid every week with this system. And what I love about this system and this program is the owners are men with integrity. I've been with them since they got started. And right now, I'm in the upgraded part of the system because I got all in. I got all in because I wanted the higher level, high profile commissions. That's why I got all in. But if you're just starting out, you don't have a lot of money, you're a little skeptical, and you just want to try this out, you can't lose. This is something that you can't lose at. You're going to pay a one-time fee of $7. And reach out to me if you have any questions or any problems or anything. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just giving you content. I'm just telling you with proof what this system can do for you. So once again, stay safe out there. Be careful with the coronavirus that's out there. Follow what the government is saying. Follow what your state representative is saying to you, because this coronavirus is very, very serious. And I care about each and every last one of you. So take care of yourself. Have a great, wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.